Aciari aingĩ makoretwo na haho thutha wa mwao gukorwo matonete birth certificate cia ciana ciao iria irabatarania niguo kwandikithia arutwo mubango-ini mweru wa Nemis.
The reason has been that the birth certificates are required for the registration of all learners was not available.
No riu aciari aya no mahomuke thutha wa Minister wa Githomo Amina Mohamed kuga gutire muciari kuhingiririo kwandikithia mwana wake.
The system will continue running because we must register students as they come in. And since we are not going to be stopping our schooling process, and that's a continuous process, we expect the registration of learners to also be continuous.
Amina augete gukinyiria riu ni mahotete kwandikithia arutwo gicunje kia 68 hari igana a cukuru cia muthingi na gicunje kia 98 hari igana kia arutwo a secondary. Ona kuri uguo ihinda riria riraheanitwo ni Ministry ya Githomo ria macukuru gukorwo mahakete bathi ciao rangi wa ngoikoni ni ithiru.
Any buses that are not painted will not be on our roads, and I think it's just as simple as that, because if you don't paint your bus, it means that you're violating the law.
Hau kabere arugamiriria macukuru ni maroretie maheo ihinda makiria ria gucenjia rangi wa bathi ciao, no ministry ikinyiriirie ihinda riria yaheanite ni riganu. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Gathoni wa Jihia.